Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techans. So today I will show you how to delete your MI account, which means that your Redmi mobile account permanently. So basically MI account is a security feature powered by Xiaomi phone, and Xiaomi users can create MI account to secure their device from third person. And also this MI account offers data storage option, and user can sync their precious data with MI cloud account. So if you want to deactivate your account, you can follow my tutorial. So otherwise you can leave it. But one thing remember it, if already packed up your data to this MI account, so you will lose your all data. So let's go to our tutorial, and this is my Redmi 5A Android mobile, but don't worry about your device model because this method almost works on all Xiaomi Redmi mobile devices. So first of all, you can open your Google Chrome web browser in your Android mobile, and in this URL section you can enter that Xiaomi account URL and then click to access it. So and here you can see, so it asks for my login details. So in this section you can enter your details for sign up processes. So once the details are entered, you can click to sign in, and then you can confirm your MI account ID by click to yes. So and here you can see, this is my Xiaomi account details. So now this time you can click to open that URL section. So here you can rename that URL to following one, and the URL is http://account.xiaomi.com then /pass.del, which means that delete. So and then you can click to access it. So now you can see, so it shows my account ID, and in bottom it asks for confirmation process. So you can click to enable that option. Yes, I want to permanently delete my MI account and all its data. So you can select it. So finally you can select that option, delete MI account. Then one more verification step is needed, which means that they sent the one confirmation message to your registered Xiaomi mobile number. So by click to send option, and then you can wait for some time. So finally I get the verification message. So in this section you can enter that verification code, and then click to submit your request. And one more time it asks for confirmation, so you can select delete account, and the countdown is finishing. So finally here you can see my MI account is successfully deleted. So this is the way you can easily delete your Xiaomi account by using your Android mobile. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Techans, and thanks for watching.